Hey folks, I just want to show you what's inside Mbira Online. It's like Netflix for Mbira. You're going to be amazed what you see inside here. Only 16 reduced price places remaining. Once they're gone, the price is going to go up. So once you sign up, you get your password, you can hit enter. I'm viewing this in Google Chrome. It's the best experience for the site. I'll explain why in a second, but let's get to some of the awesome content that we've got. This is James. Filmed some of him playing the Mbiras that he's made near Great Zimbabwe. A really amazing experience that was. You get to sort of come on holiday with me basically when you go through this site. We've got song packs every month with videos. So there's like 20 variations of merengue inside this pack. I'll show you the pack in a second. Let's just have a quick look at the videos that we've got forward. We've got other artists as well, I'll go back to those, but this is just an example. This is one song, one artist, Forward Kwenda, merengue, and there's like 9 videos here, and they're averaging like 10-15 minutes long. We've got 14-minute video here, another 14-minute video here. So these are long sort of improvisation videos. This one was done in a really beautiful setting. We hit rush hour and sort of escaped to this this spot to capture some recordings. I'll pop the volume up. So yeah, he begins, and then if I jump forward, you can see that he's sort of really getting into his playing, and we'll check out the notation pack in a second. So there's basic parts, there's long improvisation videos. Let's go back, let's have a look at the downloadable pack. There's duets with Pasvilius Tandy and Caution Shonai. In some of the other songs, so this is just merengue. In some of the other songs we've got loads of different artists. So maybe that wasn't such a good example, but let's get on. So inside the song pack, all notation tablature pack. So once you sign up, you can get alphabetical order, all of the song packs that I've released. And let's have a look inside merengue, because that's the song that we just took a look at. So click that, and then you get, oops, that's me, hi. It's just loading, there we go. Yeah, notation, loads of the stuff. I don't know how long this is going to go on for. And there's analysis there to help you get inside and understand what's going on, all the different variations. Cool. So if I click back, yeah, let's scroll up. The subscribers, when you become a subscriber, you can request notations. So these little packs, they're ones that I've just done. So here somebody wanted the high line of a highline variations from Forward's Nyamaropa. I've lost the cursor. There we go. So there's just 3 little cycles there. Just giving everybody what they're asking for. Here there was Bezel Makombe. He used to play with, oh no, he still plays with Thomas Matfumo. So there's like 6 cycles of improvisation. There's some extra sort of advice that I'm giving people to help them get inside the variations, and extra ideas as well. So you get all of this every month. Let's go back to the home page and show you what's going on here. So the start here button, I'm just going to click that in a second. This announcement is telling you about the new requests that I've just uploaded. This is to tell you what I published last month, merengue notation, and all the videos for that song. Month before was Mahororo. There's other months that were before that were in this gap here, but I delete them so the front page is sort of current. This is super handy, Google Chrome. If you use Google Chrome for the website, then you get to use this plugin, which helps you transpose, pitch shift. You can change the speed, and you can loop segments. So if a Mbira is, let's say it's a Gandanga instrument, and you've got a Gandanga instrument that's in a got a different start note, you can shift the tuning. You can choose a segment as well, and you can play along, looping that. Super handy. Users get access to the deep dive advanced content. So they're my videos on YouTube. They're free. but the advanced content is a subscription that you can pay for separately, or you join Mbira Online and you get all of that stuff. Well, let's have a little look, see what's in there. That's just loading. Yep, I'll click on there, and I'm giving away loads of other free stuff to help people make sense of what's going on. So the Discover Mbira pack, that's free to anybody. There's some videos to support people that are using that pack, but then my deep dive just goes on and on and on. There's these downloads that you can get hold of. Let's have a click on one of those so you can see the cool stuff that's sort of going on in the music. Go for that one. So here you can see there's a sort of note pattern, and there's different ways of representing it. So this is sort of similar to staff notation. La 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 la, sort of underlying structure of the music. And if we sort of present it vertically, then there's different sort of note patterns that you can play that correspond with those underlying root notes, and they've all got this sort of rotational symmetry. I find it fascinating. So this is cascade here. Ding 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 ding. That's the same one there. La 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 la. And this is a 2-note pattern. Check out my 2-note pattern video on YouTube. You should find that fascinating. And this sort of structure in the music that binds all the traditional songs together is considered to be sort of divine structure. It's absolutely fascinating. It's taken over my life. Handy sort of note circles to help people have a way into improvisation and the different chords that make up the music. What else have we got in here? I mean, there's so much. There's different ways of moving around the chords, and finding different ways into the music to suit different people. Like there's something here for everybody. So if you're just looking for traditional stuff, there's absolutely loads of it on the website. If you're looking to get inside the music and analyse it, there's that for you. So I've just hit the Start Here button. This is the welcome page, and it tells you, it sort of welcomes you to the community and tells you sort of how to use the site and get some extra freebies to make the best use of it. So there's a posts page that shows you everything that's been uploaded. So these are all the different video collections. So inside each one of these there's a number of videos. Let's go for Forward. I want to find Forward playing Naomi Musasa. Oh, this was a really cool day, Forward, and we met the spirit medium and she did some readings for us, and we both got the same reading. It really sort of was an awesome sort of union between Forward and me at the beginning of our project. So this is Naomi Musasa. Look how many videos there are from Forward, and if I click Naomi Musasa at the bottom, then you'll see that we've got Naomi Musasa's from, who else? James Matanda, he's on the cover of the website. Pasvilius and Caution doing duets. Bezel Makombe here. Let's click on something. So these duets from Pasvilius and Caution show some nice sort of some simpler parts, but show you how they fit together. These guys are trying to decide who's doing Kushara, who's doing Kutsinhira. Oh, let me skip on. So I sort of zoom in and I notate the different parts that each player's playing. Oh, that was a beautiful day. It's Pasvilius singing. Still on Cautions and Mbira there. I'm going to go back to it's awesome for me to be going back through this material every month and sort of reconnecting to my experience back in Zimbabwe. So if I hit the tags button up here, we end up going to a page that shows all of the different artists, all of the different songs, different song structures, and there's some advanced level tags that I'm working on at the moment. So you can come to this page to quickly find, let's say, every song by Forward Quenda. You can quickly get into all of those. Or let's say every recording of, let's go Shumba. I've got Bezel, Forwards, Spirit Medium Aunt, Namas Visva, and Forward. I click Forward, you can see all forwards. Oh, there's only one there. You can see Namas Visva's video. Should I have a little play of that?
Here we go. The next song I'm going to give is called Shumba.
This is in his house with his family.
Song whereby, like in our culture, like we do the biras. It's the song which usually played to evoke the spirits, the big spirits.
So we get a bit of introduction.
Oh yeah, yo, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yo.
Let's have a look at Shumba from Spirit Medium. Yeah, we've just got one video from each player for each of these Shumbas. Nice. Our Bezel's playing is on a slightly different tuning here, and he's playing fast. So song structure, you can click. I'm going on. There's so much capacity and capability in this site. If I click one, you can find all of the videos that have songs in them that use progression 1. So we've got Namaropas, Maharoros, and then Shumba. It's a kind of twisted variation of that first progression. Awesome. 16 places left at the start price. We're going up at the end of December, or once those 16 places have gone. I'm not sure what else I can tell you. There's song packs with loads of notation. There's hell loads of videos from a variety of artists. We haven't seen anything from Mbira in this video, so let's have a quick click on her. I've got more of her videos coming, so you can see Bangiza, or we can go back and see Maharoro. I'll click that and we'll finish with her recording. And hit me up with any questions. Cheers. Nice one, everyone. Join us today and there'll be no looking back. Thanks very much.